Surprise! Amy Schumer is pregnant. Amy and her husband, Chris Fisher, are expecting their first child together. Earlier this year, on February the 13th, the pair tied the knot in Malibu. Amy shares the baby news in a non-traditional way. She posts this message on her IG. About to announce some exciting news on Jessica Yellen's Insta page. Please follow her for up-to-the-minute news, not noise. She breaks down what's really going on. She agreed to post a little noise today from me. Follow her and vote.
So I'm not in the business of making voting recommendations, but these are the recommendations of Amy Schumer, one of the most consistent and early supporters of News Not Noise. Now read all the way to the bottom. You'll see there's some news down there. Congratulations, Amy.
The post that follows is a lengthy list of congressional and gubernatorial candidates. After scrolling to the bottom of Amy's voting picks, there is a blink and you'll miss it line that reads, "I am pregnant, Amy Schumer."
Thirsty for more celeb news? Make sure you subscribe to the E! News YouTube channel so you can stay informed on all the breaking updates. Come on, you know you want to be the first to know about all the latest hookups, breakups, arrests, and so much more.